Once you learn how to use this machine, you're gonna gain the confidence to work your full body and you don't even have to leave this area. This machine confuses everyone at first. So if you walked past it, today I'm gonna show you how to use it step by step. This is the cable machine and it's best for beginners. The cable machine uses a weight stack and it uses cables to pull against tension, unlike a dumbbell. It's adjustable, so I totally understand why people get so confused in the beginning. Okay guys, so the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to adjust the weight. I want you to locate the pins on the machine. And if you're a beginner, I want you to put it on the lightest weight possible because I want you to be able to control it and I don't want you to hurt yourself. So step number 2 is adjusting the cables. Now remember, if you're going high, then you're probably gonna pull the cables down. If you're going low, then you're probably gonna pull the cables up. And if you adjust the cables to the middle, you're probably gonna bring the cables towards your body. These right here are your attachments. Attachments are located in different parts of the gym, so be sure to either ask a gym member or find the attachments yourself. For simplicity, today we're gonna use handles. So exercise number 1 is a row. These exercises are back related. I want to make sure that you're tight in because I don't want you to pull and lose control. Strong stance, pull and squeeze the back. The cables are already at the perfect level for a chest press. So bring the cables with you, take a step forward, plant your back foot and bend your knees. Then I want you to bring your elbows to the sides of your chest and then I want you to punch out forward. Okay guys, so we're moving into our third exercise. We're gonna work on a little bit of biceps. We're now gonna put the rope attachment on. And in order to work your biceps, you have to go from low to high. The most common mistakes I see being used is people go a little too heavy in the beginning. They use momentum when they're exercising and they haven't adjusted the cables for the right exercises. Remember, if it feels uncomfortable or awkward, it's probably just set up wrong. If you need help using machines just like this, I created a guide for you in order to use and master this machine. All I want you to do is click the link in the description or click the link in the bio.